Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Raspberry Pi smart home services with Rclone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Raspberry Pi smart home services, start by ensuring your Raspberry Pi is powered on and connected to the internet. Open a terminal window on your Raspberry Pi. Before proceeding, check if Rclone is already installed by typing Rclone version. If Rclone is not installed, you can install it by entering the command curl https://rclone.org/install.sh sudo. After installation, confirm Rclone is installed by typing Rclone version again. Next, you need to configure Rclone to connect to your cloud storage service. Run the command rclone config to start the configuration process. Select N to create a new remote. You will be prompted to enter a name for your remote. Choose something memorable, like My Backup. Select the cloud storage provider you want to use from the listed options. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Rclone with your cloud storage. Once authorization is complete, Rclone will save your remote settings. Now, identify the directory on your Raspberry Pi that contains your smart home services. For example, if you are backing up Home Assistant, your files might be located in /home/pi/.homeassistant. To back up this directory, use the command rclone sync /home/pi/.homeassistant mybackup home_assistant_back. Replace mybackup with the name of your remote and adjust the destination folder name as needed. Rclone will begin the backup process, transferring the files to your cloud storage. Monitor the terminal for progress and ensure there are no error messages. After the process completes, verify that the backup was successful by logging into your cloud storage and checking the new folder. For scheduled backups, you can create a cron job. Open the cron table by typing cron tab E. Add a new line to schedule your backup, for example, 02**** rclone sync /home/pi/.homeassistant. This will run the backup every day at 2 a.m. Save and exit the cron table to apply the changes. Now you have successfully set up a method to back up your Raspberry Pi smart home services with Rclone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.